Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Cooking with the Cajun. Today's episode is going to be fried soft shell crab with some Zatarain's Louisiana New Orleans style fish fry. We also have some fresh milk, some Morton's kosher salt, a sun-kissed lemon, some Luann peanut oil, and we're going to use 1 grade A large egg. First thing we'll do is get our batter ready. Ah, look at what I did. See if we can get that right. Little bit of salt. We're gonna move this over here so we don't have an accident. Zatarain's fish fry. Comes in a nice bag. Put half the bag in there. We can add a little bit of Italian seasoning and some cayenne pepper. And a little bit of Parmesan cheese, Parmesan Romano cheese to be exact. Get our whisk, kind of get it, knock any big chunks down. I'm gonna rinse off my crab. Move this over here and show y'all how to clean this crab. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna clean around the eyes. We're gonna cut this off right here. If you look right here, you'll see they have the dead men. We're gonna cut them out. And they on both sides. So we're gonna raise the other side. And we're gonna cut them out. Make sure you get them all. What you want to do is you want to flip it over and you want to cut off the flap in the back. So because you don't want to put cold water in hot grease, you want to dry it off. Get the water out. I'm going to go ahead and get my oil started. That ought to be enough. That's 1 soft shell crab cleaned. I'm going to go put it back on ice. We're going to soak him in. Get it in there real good. Make sure we pack it up. We're gonna pack the inside. Get some fish fry, some batter. Well, we got batter everywhere. So be very careful when you put this crab in there. I'm going to use a set of tongs. that smell good.
Well, it looks like she's floating, so then she's done. We're going to put it on some paper towels to get so the grease can drain. We'll set that on the side over here to cool and relax a little bit. We'll get the second one ready. This one's going to cook a little quicker because the grease is a little bit hotter. This one I put a little bit thick of breading on it, as you can see. We're going to go turn our fire off, important. There's our fried soft shell crab, ladies and gentlemen. Look how good that looks. Didn't that look good? Oh, that is awesome. Can't wait to have dinner now. Fried soft shell crab, Louisiana Cajun style. Now, we're ready to eat. So I'm gonna get my Dexter knife so I can cut my lemon. I don't know if y'all have any Dexter knives, but they have a real nice cook's knife. It's a Sani-Safe Dexter cook knife, 8-inch, real nice. I believe the item number on it is an S145-8. So we're gonna cut us a lemon in half. You get us our soft shell crab. And we're gonna just put us some lemon on there like that, right there. Look at that. Ooh, yum. Get it on them claws. Y'all know what comes next? Let me show you. So ladies and gentlemen, you know what comes next? That is a good fried soft shell crab. Anybody that eats fried soft shell crab knows. Wait 1 minute. If you're from New Orleans, you know how good this is. I'm telling you. I'm gonna have a link in the bottom to where I bought these these live soft shell crabs out of Gaston, Alabama at the Fresh Seafood House. Wow, this is good. I gotta get another bite. Can't lose any. Actually, some good stuff. The only time I was ever able to get fried soft shell crab is back home from Today's Catch down in Chalmette, Louisiana. Boy, they do it good too. Best boiled seafood I've had. Oh man. And down there, you know, it's the real deal. Up here in Chattanooga, Champy's Famous Fried Chicken has great boiled crawfish.
If you live up here, go get you some. Tell them the Cajun sent you. The messier the better when you're from New Orleans, because you know it's good. Look, for any of my friends out there from up north here in Chattanooga, I know, thinking about this. Hold on, I gotta finish this before it gets cold. I got one more left I gotta eat, it's good. To my friends from Chattanooga, I love all y'all. Look, trust me when I tell you, don't let the claws and the shell keep you from enjoying a delicious dish. It is awesome. I can't say it enough. And if you from New Orleans, if you from the coast, if you had fried soft shell crabs before, please leave a comment below. Whether you subscribe or not to my channel, I'd appreciate you subscribing. Leave a comment on what you think about fried soft shell crabs. And if you haven't tried a fried soft shell crab yet, let me tell you, you really just don't know what you're missing. This is some good stuff right here. Fried soft shell crab. This is my first time frying soft shell crab in my life. I've been craving them. I called a buddy of mine, Jeff, owner of Today's Catch, said, Jeff, walk me through this. Step by step. One of the most important things he said is, Lloyd, dry them, don't leave any water. When you fry them, you don't want no water. So make sure you dry them good. And we did that, we didn't have any problem. Thank you, Jeff, appreciate the advice. Hey, fried soft shell crab. If you live up in Chattanooga, I know it's tough, you look at them, it's like, woo, wait, try them. And you know who you are that I'm talking to, you need to try them. We love y'all, have a good day. It's the Cajun. I don't know what we're gonna cook next. We enjoyed this simple dish. I want to thank everyone for watching. Hope y'all have a great weekend. If you have any questions, you can email me at cookingwiththecajun@gmail.com. If you have any suggestions or if I'm doing something you think I can improve on, please feel free to critique me. Leave me a good email. We'll be glad to try it on the next episode of Cooking with the Cajun. Have a great day. We'll see y'all soon. Oh, did I tell y'all? Fried soft shell crab's the best. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching. God bless y'all. See you soon.